Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You have Talkback active. Start now by confirming the phone is unlocked and has battery. Once ready, use 2 fingers to scroll through lists because single-finger scrolling won't work. Tap an item once to focus it, then double-tap to open. This is how settings will respond while Talkback runs. Make sure you move deliberately and pause so the spoken feedback finishes. Now navigate to the gear icon labeled Settings, and when focused, double-tap to open it. Once inside Settings, locate Accessibility, use 2-finger scroll if needed, then focus the Talkback entry with a single tap and double-tap to enter its options. Explain to yourself. The toggle will stop spoken feedback when turned off, so double-tap the toggle to disable Talkback. If the accessibility shortcut is enabled, you can instead press and hold both volume keys for about 3 seconds to switch Talkback off quickly. Use this shortcut only if the menu method is hard to operate. After toggling off, make sure the Talkback status reads off, and then test the screen with single-finger taps. Interactions should feel normal. If things still act odd, reboot the phone to clear accessibility services. That often resolves lingering behavior. If you cannot control the screen to turn Talkback off, connect a USB mouse via OTG or boot into safe mode to disable third-party accessibility tools. One key tip: if volume key shortcut didn't work, check accessibility shortcuts in Settings and enable that shortcut first.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.